In this video, let's go through how to center texts, images, buttons, or sections in Elementor. To start, let's add a section with a background color. Then add the heading element. Next, let's add an image. And then a paragraph text. As you can see, by default, the image is already aligned to the center. Let's set the style for this image to center by changing the alignment instead of leaving the default value. The same thing for the heading text element. And finally, the text block element. I'm going to shorten this paragraph a bit. To center this blurb, let's change the width of the section. First, select the section. Then change the width value. Add a column background color. Let's reduce the image size. Select the parent section element. Set a height for the section container. Then, we can set this column to center vertically. By default, it's already center aligned horizontally and vertically. You can also align this to the top or bottom. Let's add a button element and align it to the center. Or display it in full width. Thank you for watching.